Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is your reading for the month of April 1 to 15, 2025. Let's take a look at your overall energy. Ooh, you have the Six of Pentacles in upright position. I see that for some of you that are in your relationship, there's mutual respect, mutual understanding. There's a lot of energy going on with you and your partner. You two are very generous, maybe in your time you spend with each other or money involved. I feel that you're very generous and you also receive a lot of time from him or money from him. This is a karmic card that allows you to receive all the goodness that you offer to someone or to something. Maybe in your career, there's going to be a promotion, or you're one of those employees that your boss is thinking to promote. You're going to receive help from someone that you helped before. Your friends, families, or your partner support you in every way that they could. Because I see someone who is very generous, and this is a karmic card, so it means all the goodness that you offer, all the goodness that you show to others, it's going back to you. Let's take a look at another card. So at the end of the week, this April, this a magician in reverse. I think that you may feel um, misaligned with your intentions. Maybe in your career, there's could be some manipulation going on your career for some of you. There could be a potential for you, but I think the universe is telling me that it's not yet the right time, and I think it's not for you yet. Because I told you a while ago, you might be one of the employees that the boss is thinking to promote, but I think they're looking for someone, they look at someone already, and the universe is telling me to just don't worry, even though it's something that it's not for you. Let's get another card for clarification. Five of Wands in reverse and transformation. Okay, so first the Five of Wands in reverse indicates conflict in your situation, maybe in your office, in your career. There might be power struggles going on with those certain people around you. There's competition going on in your career, and you're one of it. I see that you're not that competitive compared to others or compared to those people around you. I feel that you are very generous, and at the end of the April 15, you may feel that you're struggling to adapt with those people around you in your career, your co-workmates. You might be dealing with different kinds of ideas. There might be conflict on promotion, questioning of decision, but at the end of the day, you see here the transformation. I see someone who is very generous, but things are going to get challenging in the middle of 1 to 15, but at the end of the day, you're going to transform. I think you're going to be top, on top of something. There's going to be a change of energy, change of ideas, change of situation. So this conflict might be ending soon because you have this transformation card.
Let's get a Mystic Forest Oracle cards. Angel, what's your guidance for Pisces this April 1 to 15, 2025? Okay, so you have the key. All you do with ease and enthusiasm is the path to your goal. Actions are secondary. Make the energy within your primary focus. Do not underestimate the little joys. Okay, so Pisces, I think the universe is telling you to focus on those things that make you happy and ignore those negative energy that uh, surrounds you as of the moment, like conflicts, negative emotions. I know you are a very kind and a generous person, and the universe is telling you to just do everything with ease and enthusiasm, and you're going to transform soon. Don't let these emotions, negative emotions, or conflict to affect you, and just go with the flow and enjoy the little joys that is coming in your way. So that's your reading, Pisces. Take what's resonate and leave the rest that are not. Follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe.